Hey guys, this is JamOnline.ph and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna unbox and take a closer look at the Xiaomi Mi 9T. So this is the latest mid-range smartphone from Xiaomi, and this one is priced at 15,990 pesos. This one is pretty affordable, abot kaya siya, and we got here a pretty good specifications inside, as this one packs a Snapdragon 730 processor and of course a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, which is, by the way, it doesn't have a notch. So maganda tingnan siya. Meron tayong pop-up camera, and there's a 48 megapixel rear camera, and of course a 20 megapixel front camera, and I think that sounds good. But let's see how good nga ba itong Xiaomi Mi 9T. So let's unbox this smartphone. So there we go. There's the Mi 9T. So we got here the box, so let's open this one. So first, we got here the pin. You all know that you need this one for the SIM card tray. User guides. There's an included case, and it's a hard case, but it does have a good feel. Parang hindi siya rubber, pero madulas siya ng konti. Kaya I like this one, the Mi 90 case. The Xiaomi Mi 90, and oh my god, it is beautiful. USB-A to USB-C cable. This one is actually surprising. We got here an 18 watts fast charger, and sinabi na to before nung nilaunch siya, but it's really nice to see a fast charger out of the box for a smartphone at 15,990. So yan, so this is the Xiaomi Mi 9T. So let me set it up first before natin pag-usapan tong smartphone na to. So we have here the Xiaomi Mi 9T, and oh my god, it actually is beautiful. I didn't expect that it would be like this for a mid-range smartphone. Well, it's a Xiaomi smartphone, so ano bang ina-expect natin? Maganda naman talaga ang Xiaomi smartphone sa kahit anong price range nila. Actually, pang mid-range siya, pero yung design niya is like 20-30,000, medyo nasa premium or higher mid-range. So before we proceed, let's talk about the display of the smartphone. So as you can see here, we got here an in-display fingerprint scanner. Yan, there we go. Yan, bilis naman. And if you want, you could actually use the face unlock. Yan, nakita nyo na. Meron siyang pop-up camera. It's a 20 megapixel pop-up camera. And of course, meron din tayong 6.39-inch Full HD Plus display. Nakikita nyo naman, wala tayong notch dito because of the pop-up camera. It's getting common these days. I mean, nasa mid-range smartphone na siya. And so far, wala namang problema sa pop-up camera. Yan, tingnan nyo. Isa pa. So, mabilis naman yung pop-up camera niya. So, it's not super fast though, pero I mean, it's okay for me for face unlock and even for selfies. It's not, hindi siya ganun kabagal. Wala naman problema. And let's go back to the design of the smartphone. So, you can see here, you got a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. AMOLED display means that mas vivid yung kulay niya, mas maganda yung blacks niya, and so far, I really like the colors and the display of the smartphone. We also got here a tiny chin. If you can see that one, it's not really that big, and again, no notch. At the top, we got here the headphone jack. Yes, we got a headphone jack, guys, for a mid-range smartphone, thankfully. And then we got here the USB-C port, and of course the card tray. So pwede kayong maglagay ng dalawang SIM card dyan. Then of course on the right, we got here the power button na surprisingly kulay pula yung power button niya. And then of course the volume rocker. Then sa likod, we got here a parang carbon fiber look, pero it's actually glossy. I'm not sure if this is glass or plastic, but it is really premium. I do like the premium feel of the smartphone. It's very premium, ang sarap niya hawakan, and so far, gusto ko yung itsura niya. Ang ganda tingnan, pero kung mapapansin niyo, medyo glossy siya. And medyo fingerprint, smudgy siya sa mga fingerprints. So if ma-oily yung kamay nyo or madumi yung kamay nyo, madaling mag-smudge yung fingers nyo or fingerprints nyo dito sa likod ng smartphone na to. We also got here the 48 megapixel rear camera, and by the way, we got here an ultra wide angle lens. Kaya if you want, you could do some landscape photos on the Xiaomi Mi 9T. And yeah, so nakita nyo naman dito, maganda siya tignan. Type na type yung itsura niya. So far, well, kasi marami naman smartphones. We got here the Oppo F11 Pro, and then we also got here the V15 and the V15 Pro. Well, they have the full screen display, yes, but pag tinignan mo yung likod niya, doon na nagkakaiba-iba. And syempre, iba-iba yung feel niya, iba-iba yung dimensions niya, iba-iba yung ergonomics niya. But so far with this one, I actually love it. I love the Mi 90. I love the the glass back, or I'm not sure if this is glass, but I believe this is glass. I love the looks of it. I love the colors. I love the ergonomics, and I love the display of the smartphone. And makita nyo, meron tayong kasamang case dito, and maganda rin siya tignan. So whether you use the case or not, maganda pa rin tignan tong Xiaomi Mi 9T. And syempre, tatanggalin natin yung case kasi ayaw natin ng case. Gusto ko makita nyo. So we've actually tried the camera of the smartphone. So makikita nyo dito yung kanyang UI, and very simple yung UI niya. That's the thing with the Xiaomi cameras. Sana medyo may konting, added na mas madaling gamitin pa dito. But it's actually user-friendly. I mean, sana may additional features. But we also got here the night mode. Of course, we got here the portrait mode, and 48 megapixel mode if you want to take photos na mas maganda yung details. Got here the photo mode. Ayan, so photo mode, and of course the video mode. So in video, we can actually record up to, let's see here, okay, full HD, 4K 30 frames per second. Not bad. I mean, that's expected for a Snapdragon 730 processor. So ano ba bang pwede natin ma-expect dito sa smartphone na to? Well, ang dami actually. Ang daming pwedeng i-mention dito, pero I guess sa review na natin to ibabanggitin. But of course, let's check out the camera of the Xiaomi Mi 9T. So you've seen the camera samples of the Xiaomi Mi 9T, and kita nyo naman, maganda actually nakuha nating photos with this smartphone. And with regards to selfie, nakita nyo kanina, medyo nakukulangan ako sa kulay, kulang na saturation, but the sharpness was pretty good along with the other photos using the rear camera of the smartphone. Actually, hindi ko na-expect na gano'n siya kaganda. So the Xiaomi Mi 9T really performed well for a smartphone at 15,990. So if you're the type of person who loves design, or you're the type of person na, I want a better smartphone pagdating sa performance, the Xiaomi Mi 9T is the one for you. Although we haven't tested this one for gaming, magkakamera tayo ng gaming test on this one because this is the Xiaomi Mi 9T. It comes with the Snapdragon 730 processor. I'm really curious about its performance. So ano bang meron dito soon? So malalaman natin dito sa review natin. But this is the unboxing and hands-on of the Xiaomi Mi 9T. But so far, the smartphone has impressed us with almost every aspect. So I'm not sure if you'll be amazed with its UI. I mean, some people are not a fan of the Mi UI, pero okay lang sa akin yan. So makikita nyo, maganda yung display niya, and nakikita nyo yung mga included bloatwares, which is Xiaomi bloatwares. So makikita nyo dito, it's running on, let's see. So it's actually running on Android 9 Pie with MIUI, the latest version. Actually may update. So MIUI Global 10 tayo. So makikita nyo naman, updated yung software niya, maganda yung software niya, maganda yung camera niya, maganda yung display niya, maganda yung design niya. Marami akong pwedeng sabihan dito about the Xiaomi Mi 9T, but overall, I love what we're getting with the Xiaomi Mi 9T for its price. So I guess that's it for our short hands-on of the Xiaomi Mi 9T. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to check out my social media channels. You can check it out description below. So I guess that's it for our video this week. So guys, if you want to know more about it, be sure to check out jamonline.ph. So once again, I am Jam of jamonline.ph, and thank you for watching our unboxing and quick review of the Xiaomi Mi 9T smartphone. So, ito natin.